Introducing Envision, the first smart binoculars to merge Nikon's exceptional optics with a state-of-the-art augmented reality (AR) precision orientation system. Envision offers a unique and unparalleled view of both nature and the cosmos, providing breathtaking insights into everything from scenic trails and majestic peaks to distant galaxies and nebulae. Designed for the modern adventurer, Envision transforms the way we explore and understand the world around us. Envision's high-quality, multi-coated optics, developed in collaboration with Nikon, delivers stunning clarity and brightness. The integrated AR projection system offers high luminance and contrast, seamlessly overlaying information onto your view without compromising the natural beauty of your surroundings. This powerful combination allows you to see the world with enhanced detail and depth, making every observation an enlightening experience. At the heart of Envision is its precision orientation system, which connects you to a vast database of millions of elements. Whether you're hiking through dense forests, exploring remote springs and refuges, or stargazing under a clear night sky, Envision provides comprehensive information about your surroundings. Access detailed data on trails, peaks, stars, comets, galaxies, planets, and nebulae, all available both online and offline, ensuring you are always equipped for your adventure. Activate Envision's Smart Scouting Mode to reveal what lies beyond the immediate landscape. This feature identifies and highlights significant landmarks, natural formations, and celestial bodies, allowing you to uncover the hidden secrets of the world around you. Whether you're discovering a new hiking trail or observing a distant star, Smart Scouting Mode enhances your exploratory capabilities. The Envision Companion app is an indispensable tool for guided stargazing tours. It provides real-time updates and suggestions on celestial events, helping you plan your observations. Witness the next passing of a comet or the transit of our closest celestial neighbor with precise guidance from the app. The app also allows you to select newly discovered celestial objects and navigate directly to them, ensuring you never miss a significant event in the sky. With Envision's Target Lock Mode, you can center on specific features in your line of sight and receive detailed advanced information at the push of a button. This feature is perfect for both seasoned explorers and curious beginners, providing valuable insights into the objects you observe. Additionally, you can easily share your findings with others, fostering a community of discovery and learning. Seamless transition to natural viewing. When you're ready to take a break from technology, Envision allows you to seamlessly switch to a natural optical view. Simply turn off the AR system and enjoy the pure, unenhanced beauty of the world through Nikon's superior optics. This flexibility ensures that Envision adapts to your needs, providing both advanced technological capabilities and timeless enjoyment of nature. Envision revolutionizes the way we experience the world, blending cutting-edge technology with the joy of discovery. Whether you're an avid hiker, a stargazing enthusiast, or simply someone who loves to explore, Envision elevates your adventures to new heights. Unlock the secrets of nature and the cosmos with Envision and see the world like never before. The latest innovation in backyard grilling has arrived with the GMG Peak Prime 2.0, a Wi-Fi smart-controlled pellet grill that redefines wood-fired performance. This cutting-edge grill combines state-of-the-art technology with unbeatable flavor, delivering an unparalleled cooking experience for enthusiasts and casual grillers alike. With unmatched wood-fired flavor and consistency, the Peak Prime 2.0 is engineered to achieve the highest quality wood-fired flavor using 12-volt direct power. This advanced system ensures exceptional heat consistency and precise temperature control, elevating your barbecue to new heights. The innovative rounded peaked hybrid chamber design enhances heat distribution and smoke circulation, offering a superior 360 degree of wood-fired goodness that ensures every inch of your food is perfectly infused with smoky flavor. It is a game-changer in backyard versatility and customization. Equipped with GMG's racked technology, this grill allows for effortless attachment of elevated racks, smoke shelves, cooking pans, and griddles. This means you can easily adapt your grill to a variety of cooking styles and preferences. For those times when you need extra heat, the GMG sideburn attachment can transform your side shelf into a high-heat infrared sideburner, giving you additional cooking power at your fingertips. One of the standout features is its new sideburn attachment, which converts your side shelf into a high-heat infrared sideburner. This addition provides a secondary cooking surface that can handle searing and other high-temperature tasks with ease. The grill also boasts dual power capabilities with 12-volt direct power, setting a new standard in outdoor barbecue. This system ensures safer and more efficient power consumption, quicker startups, and better pellet fuel economy, making your grilling experience smoother and more enjoyable. Transform your grill into a pizza oven. Pizza night at home takes on a new dimension with the specially designed pizza attachment that converts your pellet grill into a high-heat wood-fired oven, allowing you to cook artisan pizzas with that perfect wood-fired flavor right in your backyard. The new Rack T system revolutionizes wood-fired versatility and customization. It features attachable elevated racks, smoke shelves, cooking pans, and griddles, making it easy to adapt the grill to your culinary needs and preferences. This system brings unparalleled flexibility to your grilling experience, enabling you to cook a wide variety of dishes with ease. Control and monitor your grill with precision using the Prime app Wi-Fi Smart Control. This app allows you to manage and track grill temperatures and internal food temperatures remotely. Access a vast selection of recipes and grilling profiles from the GMG app, making it easier than ever to achieve perfect results every time, no matter where you are. Barbecue rotisserie for perfectly cooked meat with the built-in rotisserie mount brackets that enable you to easily install a wood-fired rotisserie. This feature ensures that your meats are cooked to perfection, offering some of the juiciest and most flavor-packed meals you've ever experienced. The grill's advanced design includes a motor-driven auger that feeds pellets into the firebox. A heat rod automatically ignites the pellets, while a variable speed fan ensures consistent burning. The Venturi-style firebox is lined with vertical vents that create a cyclone of airflow for maximum heat and efficient pellet combustion with minimal waste. A heat shield ensures even heat distribution and a pure hardwood smoke flavor throughout the grill chamber. Take your barbecue to new heights with the GMG Peak Prime 2.0, the industry standard in pellet grilling. Its innovative features, exceptional performance, and advanced technology make it the ultimate choice for those who demand the best in backyard cooking. Elevate your grilling experience and achieve peak backyard greatness with the Peak Prime 2.0. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give us a like and subscribe. It helps the channel and won't cost you a thing.